Hey, this is Danny. Welcome to my channel. Today's adventure is how I'm going to tint my household windows. My windows trap the penetrable rays from the sun, making the inside of my house comparable to a hot greenhouse. My air conditioner labors, trying to maintain its cooling potential. This extra electrical strain inevitably increases my home's power usage. Even with blinds and curtains, heat still penetrates through the glass. I can feel the difference between the shaded area and the sunlit area. And today is no exception. The sun is bright and it is hot. So I know I'll benefit from this installation. So let's get started. I am measuring my windows and estimating how much window tint I will need. I purchased the Gila Privacy Control Window Film. I had read great reviews on this product. I chose the mirror shaded tint because Gila stated that it will reject up to 79% of the sun's heat, it rejects 99% of UV rays, and that its mirrored effect is great for daytime privacy. I also purchased the Gila Window Film application kit. It includes the application solution, a lint-free cloth, a trimmer tool, and a plastic spreader. Other tools I gathered for installing the tint are a large rubber squeegee, a pair of scissors, an X-Acto knife, a tape measure, a large straight edge, a square, paper towels, glass cleaner, bath towels, and a Sharpie. An added note on the application solution. You can simply make additional application solution by mixing 4 cups of water with about 1/4 teaspoon of No Tears baby shampoo or wash without the conditioner. Before I started, I read the instructions thoroughly and even watched videos that were on gilafilms.com. I am going to use the island in my kitchen as my window tint prep table. I'll use a piece of cardboard for protection while cutting to protect the countertop. I will only tint a window when the sun is not baking them with direct intense rays. Gila recommends the glass temperature should be between 45 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I am removing the curtains and the blinds, doing whatever I can to make life easier. I am using a utility blade to scrape off old splatter paint and hardened debris. But please be careful, don't cut yourself. I am using spray-away glass cleaner, but any type will work. My goal is to get the windows squeaky clean. I always tint the top section first. I have to manage all that dripping water. I use towels to protect the windowsill and the floor. I am measuring the window so I can pre-cut my piece of window film. I measure the length from the roll a couple of inches longer. I use my square and straight edge to cut the piece of window film at right angles to ensure that I will have the top and a side that won't need trimming after the film is attached to the window. I measure and cut the width a couple of inches wider. Now, I have a piece of window film that I will only have to trim the bottom and one side, and I won't have an excess of extra window film to fight with during installation. After taking a ride straight to the floor, hard, slipping on a piece of protective liner, I now always dispose of all cut pieces that are lying around. Luckily, I wasn't badly hurt, but you will have to watch out for those potential hazards. I use 2 pieces of Scotch tape to separate the protective liner from the window film. I use the 2 pieces of tape to hold the corners down while I pull the liner away. If you have a helper, they can hold down the corners for you. Before I finish removing the protective clear liner, I will spray the window film adhesive side generously with application solution. This helps reduce static cleaning. Then I finish removing the liner. I remove the tape from the corners and again spray the window film with the application solution. I generously spray the window with the application solution. This soapy water allows the tint to slide on the glass. I grab the window film in the corners and hold it with the adhesive side away from me. I carefully and slowly walk it to the window. I place the film over the window. I will use my hands to slip the film into position, aligning my 2 prepared sides. Whenever I use the rubber-bladed squeegee, I spray the exposed side with the application solution to prevent damaging the window film with friction. My goal is to keep my 2 prepared sides aligned while lightly pressing out imperfections. Always press from the center to the sides. This prevents wrinkling. After the window film is smoothed out, I will make sharp impressions in the overhung sides. Now I can trim the 2 overhung sides. Sometimes I'll use an X-Acto knife to precisely trim around irregular corners, always being careful of its sharp edge. I will now be more aggressive pressing out the film, working from the center to the sides, ensuring that it doesn't slide out of position. This aggressive pressure removes the trapped water between the film and the glass, so the adhesive can start curing. I will continue this process until I feel that I remove all the air bubbles and have a smooth layer of film. Continually spraying the surface for lubricating the squeegee. I wrap the small plastic spreader with a soft lint-free towel to prevent damage from the plastic tip and soak up water being pressed out from the sides. While using the wrapped spreader, no additional application solution is needed. The sides may try to separate from the glass and curl. Do not get frustrated. I will keep a watchful eye on the window film and will keep pressing out any troubled areas. After I feel confident that the film will not curl, I can wipe down the windowsill and the floor and secure the window. The next day, I will inspect my window film and, if necessary, will press out any small bubbles or slightly curled edges. I will use my small plastic spreader wrapped in the lint-free towel. Remember to always press from the center to the sides. I am very satisfied with the results I received tinting my windows. It gives my house character. The only frustration I had while tinting was that on a couple of windows, the film would seem to never want to lay down on the top. But after pressing the areas over and over, it finally did. In the middle of the day, with the sun baking the landscape, we can definitely feel the reduction of heat throughout our house. I'm sure my air conditioner unit is a lot happier.
Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope it inspires you to not only gain the benefits of window tinting, but to know that you can tackle this task yourself. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I'm coming out with my next new videos. So now I can leave the sun's rays in the sky where they belong.